Hey guys, how are you all? Happy Diwali to all of you. I hope you have enjoyed this Diwali. That's great. Okay, so I welcome all of you to this brand new video of the video lecture series Lines and Planes. So in the last video we have seen the miscellaneous exercise 6a, which is based on the lines. We have seen we have solved each and every question from this miscellaneous exercise. So if you have not seen that video, please go through that and be confident on the lines. Okay, very good. Now let's start the plane. Simple concepts we have again in the plane topic. Okay, so let's first understand what do you mean by plane. Okay, so the plane we can define like this. It is a any surface. Plane is an any surface. Okay, so if you take any 2 points on this surface and if you draw a line, this line lies on this surface. Okay, then this surface is known as a plane. Okay, so अभी इसका अपोजिट मीनिंग क्या हो सकता है कि देखो एक पॉइंट में ले लिया है यहाँ पे और दूसरा पॉइंट यहाँ पे ले लिया है. ओके, एंड इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस लाइन, now definitely this line is not lying on this plane because this point I am not taking on this surface. Okay, so what is the definition of a plane we can do is a plane is any surface such that the line joining any 2 points on that surface lies on that line, lies on that plane. Okay, perfect. So after this definition, now let's see a few definitions which we require to get the equation of a plane. Okay, suppose this is the plane. Okay, and suppose we have one line which is perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so this is the line L and suppose this is the plane P. This is my plane and this is the line. Okay, now this line is what? It is a perpendicular to this plane. So any object perpendicular to the plane is known as the normal. I hope you remember this. Normal is what? Anything which is a perpendicular. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है? This is the plane. This line is perpendicular to this plane. So this line is known as the normal of this plane. Okay, so can you tell me how many normals we can draw to the given plane? Yes, of course there are n number of lines or n number of normals we can draw to the given plane. So see, these all are what? All are perpendicular. So these all are can be taken as the normal to the given plane. Okay, perfect. So after understanding this normal to the plane, now let's get the first very important equation of the plane. Okay, so let me write here the first equation of the plane, which is nothing but the equation of a plane passing through a point. Equation of a plane passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector Okay, suppose you have one condition that this is the plane. Okay, so suppose this is a plane and you know that this plane is passing through, suppose the point A. You know this plane is passing through point A, means what? The point A is lying on that plane. Please make sure that you are understanding these two sentences. What I am saying is plane is passing through the point A or the A lying on the plane. Both are same sentences. Okay, सिर्फ उसका wording अलग अलग हो गया. Okay, so what this first equation of a plane is saying is, so if you know one point which is lying on this plane and the perpendicular vector suppose this is a vector. Okay, then what will be the equation of this plane? Okay, चलो भाई derive करेंगे इसको. Derive मतलब क्या है? Let's get the equation of this plane. Let's name this. Suppose this is the point A whose coordinates are known. Okay, let me erase this. Whose coordinates are known because the point is lying on this plane. Okay, इसका प्लेन का पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट हमको पता है, एंड द परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर भी पता है अपने को. सपोज दिस इज एन कैप, no, it's n bar, okay, not n cap. N cap is the unit vector along this normal. Why n? Because as this vector is perpendicular to this plane, this becomes the normal vector, okay, this becomes the normal vector, so it becomes n bar. Okay, now let's take any random point r on this plane. Let's take any random point r on this plane and whose coordinates are x comma y comma z. Okay, x comma y comma z. We don't require this x y z right now, okay, then also I am writing this because we require this concept in the next equation. Okay, so what I am assuming here is what is given here. Given is what? They have given one point which is lying on that plane and they have given the normal vector. What we are assuming? We are assuming that there is one general point r lying on this plane. Okay, now let's take the concept which we have seen just now. Okay, here यहाँ पे जो देखा है हम लोगों ने, what is the definition we have done. The definition is, if you take any two random points on the surface and if you join these 2 points, the line joining these 2 points lies on that plane. Okay, so coming to this diagram again, if I join the point A and R, what happens, boss? This segment AR lies on this plane, of course, and just observing this, what we can say is the normal vector n bar is also perpendicular to the segment AR. Yes or no? Because n bar is perpendicular to plane and AR is lying on that plane, means what? We can say that the n bar is perpendicular to AR. Yes or no? So if I want to write in terms of the vectors, so I can write it as a AR bar. So n bar is perpendicular to AR bar. Now tell me, what do you know when the vectors are perpendicular, which product vectors ka which product is equals to 0? Their dot product is equals to 0. So as n bar is perpendicular to AR bar, what you can say is AR bar dot n bar, it is equals to 0. AR bar dot n bar is equals to 0, and if I open this, what I will get? R bar minus A bar dot n bar, it is equals to 0. Okay, so further simplifying this, what you will get? R bar dot n bar minus A bar dot n bar, it is equals to 0. So you will get R bar dot n bar, it is equals to A bar dot n bar. That's it. This becomes my general equation of a plane passing through the point and perpendicular to the given vector. Okay, you can write this as equation, this as equation, this as equation, or this as equation. All are same plane equation. Okay, so let's take one simple example. Suppose suppose your plane is passing through a point 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, and it is perpendicular to 2i plus j plus 7k. Okay, then what will be the equation of the plane? Okay, so it is very very simple. So can you tell me what will be the equation of plane? We know that the plane is passing through a point and it is perpendicular to the vector, so the equation of a plane can be directly written in terms of r bar dot n bar is equals to A bar dot n bar. Okay, so if I substitute the values, I will get r bar dot, now n bar is what? It is a normal vector. This is my normal vector, so it is 2i plus j plus 7k, it is equals to, what is A bar? It is the I plus 2j minus 3k dot n bar is what? It is again 2i plus j plus 7k. So further simplifying, so dot product is what? I dot I, it is equals to 2, j dot j, it is again 2, and k dot k is nothing but minus 3 into 7, it is minus 21. So it is equals to, so 4 minus 21, it is equals to minus of 70. Okay, so what will be the equation of the plane is? So it is r bar dot 2i plus j plus 7k, it is equals to minus of 17. So this is what the required equation of a plane. Okay, perfect. Now remember that this equation, okay, so this equation is also known as the vector equation of a plane. Vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane. Okay, perfect. So as we have seen the vector equation of line and the Cartesian equation of line, we have the same vector equation of plane and the Cartesian equation of the plane. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the next point. So remember that the first equation of plane which we get is nothing but r bar dot n bar, it is equals to a bar dot n bar. So this is the vector equation of a plane. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the Cartesian equation of the same plane. Cartesian equation of the same plane. Cartesian equation of the same plane. Let me draw the same figure here. Let me draw the same figure. Now this time the coordinate of point A is known. Of course the coordinate of point A is known, which is x comma y comma z. The vector, this is a perpendicular vector. This is nothing but my foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular drawn from the point, some point on this plane, and suppose this is the vector. Let's take n cap, or no, not n cap boss, it's n bar, and suppose this is the point R, and whose coordinates are, I am taking any general random point on the plane, so its coordinate becomes x comma y comma z. These are the standard coordinates, x y z. x1 y1 z1 means what? These are the known points. Okay, perfect. So tell me the Cartesian equation, how we will write. Let me use the same principle, same concept there. So AR bar is perpendicular to, again we will have the AR bar which is perpendicular to n cap, sorry, n bar. Okay, now this is the normal vector, and this normal vector is having the direction ratios as A, B and C. Okay, so ये एक वेक्टर है तो वेक्टर रहेगा तो उसको डायरेक्शन रेशियोज तो रहेंगे, which is A, B, C. Okay, now can you get the direction ratio of this AR bar? इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज हो गए A, B, C. Can you get the direction ratios of the AR bar? Yes, of course, we have seen how to get the direction ratios of the line passing through the 2 points, which is nothing but x minus x1 comma y minus y1 comma z minus z1. So this is nothing but the direction ratio of AR bar, and this is nothing but the direction ratio of n bar. Now can you give me the relation between these n bar and AR bars direction ratios? Perfect, that's really great. Okay, so whenever the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then we say that the summation of the multiplication of the direction ratios of the two vectors is equals to 0. Okay, so with that what I can write is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1, it is equals to 0. Okay, what do you know is that the summation of the product of the direction ratios of the two vectors is equals to 0. That's it. This becomes the Cartesian equation of the plane. This becomes the Cartesian equation of the plane. It's very simple, boss. Okay, so if you further simplify this, what you will get? Okay, you will get ax plus by plus cz, it is equals to d. Okay, then what will be equals to d? See here, if you simplify this, what you will get? You will get ax minus ax1, by minus by1, cz minus cz1. Okay, see here, a, b, c and x1, y1, z1 are the known quantities which are constant. Okay, their addition is nothing but d. See, this ax, by and cz remains same. Okay, perfect. So this is what the second equation of the plane passing through a point and normal to a given, perpendicular to the given vector. Okay, so let's take simple example. So let's have the point A is nothing but 2 comma 1 comma 7, and the normal vector n bar is equals to 3i minus 2j plus k. Okay, perfect. So this is nothing but the point through which your plane is passing, this A is, and this n bar is nothing but the normal vector to the given plane. So then what will be the equation of a plane? It is very simple. So it is A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. It is equals to 0. Then ABC are what? ABCs are nothing but the direction ratios of the normal vector, which are nothing but the coefficient of vector. So ABC becomes what? A comma B comma C becomes, it is 3 comma minus 2 comma 1. So it is, and this becomes my x1, y1 and z1. These are the known values. Okay, see here, if you see the figure, your picture will be very clear. See, these are the x1, y1, z1 quantities. Okay, perfect. So let's write the equation here. So ये आ गया मेरा A is nothing but 3. So it is 3 into x minus 2 plus B कितना है? It's minus 2. So it's minus 2 into y minus 1 plus C is 1 into z minus z1 is what? It is 7. Okay, it is equals to 0. Let's open this. So you will get 3x minus 6 minus 2y plus 2 plus z minus 7, it is equals to 0. Okay, so further simplify this. So you will be having 3x minus 2y plus z. So ये minus 6 plus 2 हो गया minus 4 minus 7, it is equals to minus 11. Okay, minus 11, it is equals to 0. Okay, so 3x minus 2y plus z, it is equals to 11. See here, this is nothing but the form which we have written just now. Ax plus by plus cz, it is equals to d. So what is the value of d? In our case, this is nothing but 11. Okay, perfect. So these are the two standard equation of the lines which we get in this section. Okay, so let me write those two standard equations here. So whenever the plane is passing through point A and it is perpendicular to the n bar, then the vector equation is nothing but r bar dot n bar, it is equals to a bar dot n bar. ये हो गया मेरा वेक्टर इक्वेशन, एंड द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन इज नथिंग बट x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, it is equals to 0. Okay, perfect, that's great. So based on this, let's solve few questions. So the first question is, find the vector equation for plane passing through the point having the position vector. Okay, passing through the point बोला है, so this becomes the point A, and it is having the position vector as 2i plus 3j plus कितना है बॉस 4k plus 4k, and perpendicular to vector it is 2i plus j, perpendicular to vector 2i plus j minus 2k. Okay, so this is what the first example. So we have to find the equation of a plane which is passing through the point A having this position vector and the perpendicular to this 2i plus j minus 2k. So let's find out both the equations in the vector form as well as in the Cartesian form. Okay, so in the vector form, what we'll be having, vector form is nothing but r bar dot n bar, it is equals to a bar dot n bar. So this becomes my a bar and this becomes my n bar, and let me write this as a bar. So r bar will be same, dot n bar is nothing but 2i plus j minus 2k, it is equals to a bar is nothing but 2i plus 3j plus 4k dot we have 2i plus j minus 2k. So let's solve this. So 2 into 2 4, 3 into 1 becomes 3, and 4 into minus 2 becomes minus 8. So we'll be having 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 1. So r bar dot 2i plus j minus 2k, it is equals to minus 1. This is what the vector equation of the given plane, okay, in the vector form. Let's have the same equation in the Cartesian form. Okay, so in the Cartesian form what you require, I require the direction ratios of both the vectors. एक तो perpendicular vector का direction ratio चाहिए and the point through which your line is passing, coordinates of the point through which your line is passing. So if this is the position vector, then the coordinate will be what? If 2i plus 3j plus 4k is the position vector of the point A bar, point A, then the coordinate of the point A becomes what? Same, the coefficients of I, j, k. So it is 2, 3, 4. And what is the direction ratio of the given vector, which is nothing but the coefficients of I, j, k. So drs of n bar, it is nothing but a, b, c, which is nothing but 2, 1, minus 2. So let's write the given conditions, that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, it is equals to 0. Let's substitute the values. A is nothing but 2, x minus x1 is nothing but 2, plus b is 1, y minus 3 minus 2 into z minus 4, which is equals to 0. So it becomes 2x minus 4 plus y minus 3 minus 2z plus 8, it is equals to 0. So becomes 2x plus y minus 2z minus 4 minus 3 हो गया मेरा minus 7 plus 8 आ गया मेरा plus 1 equals to 0. So what is the equation? 2x plus y minus 2z, it is equals to minus 1. This is what the Cartesian equation of the same plane, okay. So this is the vector equation and this is the Cartesian equation. So it is 2x plus y minus 2z, it is equals to minus 1. I hope you are identifying some similarity between these two. Okay, so if I replace this r bar as xi plus yj plus zk, then you will get the same equation. Now can you tell me how to jump from the vector equation to Cartesian equation? कुछ नहीं करना है बॉस, वेक्टर इक्वेशन में आर बार की जगह पे आप एक्स आई प्लस वाई जे प्लस जेड के डाल दो. ओके, सो वेक्टर इक्वेशन टू कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन, हाउ वी विल जम्प? जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट आर बार इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स आई प्लस वाई जे प्लस जेड के, दैट्स इट. You will get the same answer. Okay, perfect. So let's see the second question now. Second question. Okay, find the foot of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to a plane is m. The foot of perpendicular drawn from origin 0 0 0 to plane is m. In bracket what we have is 2, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, full stop. Find the vector equation of the plane. Find the vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of the plane. Boss, you expect this level of questions in your exam. ये ऊपर का क्या था? It's just for the sake of understanding the concept. Okay, यहाँ से हम लोगों को एक आइडिया आ गया कि भाई इक्वेशन कैसा निकालोगे. ओके, बट ये आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा. क्वेश्चन आएगा तो फिर शॉर्ट आंसर में आ सकता है. ओके, बट if you want to really solve or to get the equation of a plane, then you should understand this type of level, this type of questions. Okay, let me first draw the figure based on the information they have given. The foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane is m. Okay, so let's have here the coordinates x comma y, x axis and y axis. Okay, x axis and y axis. Let me have a plane, one plane. क्या बोला है भाई कि ओरिजिन से एक प्लेन निकालना है, ओरिजिन से एक फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर आ रहा है, ओके, दिस इज द ओरिजिन एंड यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर आ रहा है टू दिस प्लेन, ओके, एंड दिस पॉइंट इज नथिंग बट m which is 2 comma 1 comma minus 2, okay, this is nothing but my m point. This becomes my o point which is the origin. Now tell me, if this is the foot of perpendicular, so can I say this OM bar becomes my normal vector? OM bar becomes my normal vector, and what will be the position vector, or what will be the equation of this vector OM bar, which is m bar is nothing but what? It is nothing but the 2i plus j minus 2k. This becomes the n bar, which is normal vector to this plane. Now to get the equation of plane, you require two parameters. One is normal vector, which you get here. Other we want is the point lying on the plane, okay, lying on the plane. So can you tell me, just by observing this figure, which point is lying on the plane? Which is nothing but m, okay, so this becomes my m. So what will be m bar then? M bar is nothing but 2i plus j minus 2k, okay. Once you get these two information, you can find out any equation. Any means vector equation or the Cartesian equation, okay. So let's first find out the vector equation of the plane. Once you get this information, you can find out any equation. So vector equation is what? It is r bar dot n bar is equals to a bar dot n bar. R bar is same, dot n bar is nothing but this is my n bar now, which is 2i plus j minus 2k, which is equals to a bar is nothing but the point which is lying on the plane, okay, that is nothing but my a bar. So this becomes my a bar. 2i plus j minus 2k dot n bar is nothing but 2i plus j minus 2k. So if you solve this, you will get 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 minus minus plus 4, which is nothing but 4 4 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is nothing but r bar dot 2i plus j minus 2k. This is the required equation of a plane. This is my final answer, boss, in the vector notation. How we will write the same equation in the Cartesian form? Just now I have told you the trick. क्या करना है? Just replace the r bar as the xi plus yj plus zk. So r bar is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. You will get the same equation. So you will get 2x plus y minus 2z, it is equals to 9, okay. You take this as an assignment and you cross verify this answer. So originally this is nothing but a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, it is equals to 0, where a b c are nothing but 2 1 minus 2 and x1 y1 z1 are nothing but 2 1 minus 2, okay. So these are nothing but the coordinate of the point m. So I hope you get this equation, how to get the equation of a plane, okay, perfect. So in this video only two equation of planes we have seen, and for those two equations we require only two parameters. One is the perpendicular vector and other is the point lying on that plane, okay, that's it. So with this we will stop here, and in the next we will see some more equations of the plane in the different forms, okay. Thank you.